Hello student, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to cover one of the very important topic, that is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, which is also known as IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. Before start the video, it's my humble request to each and everyone, please watch entire video, and if you find the video is according to the knowledge, then please like, share, comment and subscribe also. So let's start the video. I hope you all must be happy, healthy and safe at your home. So let's start the video. So first of all, we should know that when this act has stabilized. So IRDA Act was passed in 1999. Initially, this act was known as Insurance Regulatory Authority. Afterward, it renamed again. Now it is known as Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. It is also known as Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. Then, this act considered as the autonomous body, or we can say this act considered as the statutory body in April 2000. Now the question arises in our mind, what is the main role of IRDA Act? So IRDA Act is a one type of autonomous body who regulate, develop and control, supervise the business of insurance and reinsurance in India. इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर भी नो, reinsurance in India का मतलब होता है कि when one person wants to take insurance, और वो जब इंश्योरेंस कंपनी किसी और इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से हेल्प लेके किसी बंदे का इंश्योरेंस करवाती है, सो दैट इज़ री इंश्योरेंस। मीन्स इंश्योरेंस कंपनी किसी और इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से हेल्प ले रही, दैट इज़ री इंश्योरेंस इन इंडिया। सो पॉइंट नंबर 1, IRDA एक्ट वॉज पास्ड इन 1999. Then it is known as a Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, and point number 3, it is considered as an autonomous body in April 2000. The main website of IRDA Act is irdai.government.in. When IRDA Act was declared, that time the main headquarters located in New Delhi, but in 2001 the headquarters shifted to Hyderabad, that is Telangana. Next is what type of recommendation given and by whom. So in 1993 the government of India set up one committee. That committee is known as Malhotra Committee, and that committee was set up under the chairmanship of R.N. Malhotra, and he was a former governor of RBI. He proposed some type of recommendations, some type of reform and changes in the insurance sector, and whatever recommendation they have suggested, that all the report presented to government in 1994. Now question arise, what type of recommendation made by Malhotra committee? So they have suggested that there should be entrance of private sector companies and foreign promoter. It means that FDI and FPI should be increased in the insurance sector. Next is there should be independent regulatory authority for insurance sector in India. It means that there should be independent one authority who can handle insurance sector. For example, money market handled by RBI, capital market owned and handled by SEBI. So same here, insurance sector should be handled by one authority. Next is, as we know very well, as per today's data in 2020, there are 74% FDI allowed in insurance sector. Next is members. How many members are there? So there are total 10 members in IRDA. 1 is chairperson, 5 are full-time member and 4 are part-time member. All the members are appointed by Government of India, and the working period, or we can say the duration of working, is 5 years for all the members. As per today's data, as per today's data, or we can say from 2018, the chairperson of IRDA is Dr. Subhash Kuntia, and full-time members of IRDA is TL Elemelu, K Ganesh, Purnima Gupte, then Praveen Kutumbe and Sujay Banerjee. So in short, there are total 10 members in IRDA. Next is, what are the objective and role of IRDA. So number one, an important objective of act is to protect interest of policy holder. जितने भी policy holder है, those who are taking policy, उनके interest और उनका protection करना is the responsibility of this act. Then to bring speedy growth of insurance sector along with supervise, it is also responsibility of the IRDA to bring फास्ट एंड स्पीडी ग्रोथ इन इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर. मतलब इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर का प्रमोशन करना, ग्रोथ करना इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ IRDA. नेक्स्ट इज टू इंश्योर दैट वॉट एवर इंफॉर्मेशन इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर इज प्रोवाइडिंग टू देयर कस्टमर, whatever information regarding product and services they are providing to their customer, it should be correct. It is a responsibility of IRDA. Next is to ensure speedy settlement of genuine claim and prevent malpractices. See, as we know very well, there are many people, those who claim genuinely, but sometimes they can face problem. So it is a responsibility of IRDA to ensure that if person is claiming for any genuine claim, तो उसका settlement time पे करवाना, speed में करवाना, or to avoid malpractices in the insurance sector is the responsibility of IRDA. Malpractices means any wrong practices like to take a bribe, फिर किसी का claim delay करना. So ऐसी सब जो चीज़ें होती है उसे कंट्रोल करने का काम is done by IRDA. Next is to promote transparency. To bring transparency in a working pattern of insurance sector is a responsibility of IRDA. Next is function. What are the function and duties of IRDA Act? So under section 14 of IRDA Act 1999, the first important function of this act is to issue a certificate of registration, renew, modify, withdraw, suspend or cancel such registration. Means किसी भी कंपनी का सर्टिफिकेट जो रजिस्ट्रेशन है वो करना, देन रिन्यू करना, मॉडिफाई करना, विड्रॉ करना, उसे कैंसिल करने का राइट IRDA के पास है. नेक्स्ट इज प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ पॉलिसी होल्डर. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट aspect of this act to provide protection and to provide one type of mutual trust ability among the customer. मतलब कोई भी अगर पॉलिसी होल्डर है उसके इंटरेस्ट को उसका प्रोटेक्शन करना इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ IRDA. नेक्स्ट इज टू स्पेसिफाई क्वालिफिकेशन, कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट and practical training for insurance intermediaries and agent. As we know very well, this sector is growing day by day. So now many people, they are getting a job opportunity in this sector. So the people, those who are working in an insurance sector as a intermediaries or agent, are they proper qualified or not? Are they having proper knowledge of training? Are they having any type of information? ये check out करने का काम IRDA का है. इसका मतलब कि पर्सन हु इज़ अपॉइंटेड एज द एजेंट और इंटरमीडिएरीज और ब्रोकर इन इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर, सो दैट पर्सन शुड बी प्रॉपरली क्वालिफाइड, ही शुड हैव अ प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग, ही शुड हैव अ प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज. सो ये सब चेकआउट करने का काम किसका है? IRDA का. नेक्स्ट इज टू प्रमोट एफिशिएंसी इन द कंडक्ट ऑफ इंश्योरेंस बिजनेस. इट मीन दैट इंश्योरेंस बिजनेस शुड बी लाइक वर्क इन अ प्रॉपर वे, उनका प्रॉपर ग्रोथ हो, टू ब्रिंग लाइक ग्रोथ पाथ, और वी कैन से टू ब्रिंग एफिशिएंसी इन अ वर्किंग पैटर्न ऑफ इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर इज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ IRDA. Then to regulate investment of fund by insurance company. See student, as we know very well, whatever money we are deposit in a insurance, that money insurance company used to invest in a money or capital market. जो पैसा हम invest करते हैं, same money they used to invest in a bonds, especially in a government bond, securities to get more and more profit. So the main role of IRDA is that to check out whatever money insurance companies are investing to get more and more profit, उसे regulate करना, are they investing properly or not, उसे regulate करने का काम, ये सब किसका है? IRDA का है. Next is to solve dispute between insurer and insurance intermediaries. If any dispute means any विवाद, if any dispute take place between insurer and insurance intermediaries, then उसे solve करवाने का responsibility किसका है? IRDA का. Next is to supervise the function of Tariff Advisory Committee. First of all, Tariff Advisory Committee having total 8 members, and Tariff Advisory Committee look after the terms, rules, regulation, interest, benefit used by insurance sectors. So, how this Tariff Advisory Committee work? उनके फंक्शन को सुपरवाइज करना इज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ इंश्योरेंस रेगुलेटरी डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया. नेक्स्ट इज to collect information and supervise, inspect, conduct inquiry and investigation about any organization which is connected to insurance sector. If any organization which is connected to insurance sector, उसके बारे में कुछ भी information लेना, inquiry निकालना, investigation रखना is the responsibility of IRDA. So student, just watch entire video. This video will definitely help you to clear your doubt regarding IRDA Act. And now it's my challenge to you. If you have watch entire video, then you are able to give answer of this 5 question. So there are total 5 question I asked. If you are able to give answer, then please write answer of all the 5 question in a comment. So first question is, the IRDA Act was passed in the year dash. The IRDA was stabilized in dash year. Dash committee was stabilized to suggest insurance sector reform. Next is, there are dash members in IRDA. Next, current headquarter of IRDA located in dash. So it's my open challenge to all the students. If you have seen, if you watch entire video, then you are able to give answer of this 5 question. So if you know the answer of 5 question, then write in comment box. Thank you so much. God bless you. Stay safe and at home. Bye bye.